Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer images, photos, music, or pretty much any files from a pen drive from your Android phone. So a lot of these pen drives do, on the back of them, if you take off the cap, they have a USB-C port right here. And then you can just plug this directly into the bottom of your phone. But some of them, these USB drives might just have USB. So we need an adapter, USB to USB-C, just like this. Now, these pen drives are really nice because they do have both options, and then you can just plug into the phone where it charges, just like that. Now, what we want to do is just swipe up from the bottom and go to Files. Files. And open up Files. So it could be Files or My Files. And under here, we want to go to our images, videos, or wherever we want to transfer, really. So let's go to Images. And then we can just hold down on the image and we can go to select all on the top, or I'm just going to do one. And then we can go to copy here or move. So I can choose copy now and then pick your location. So here's the USB storage drive. You can come up with a name for a folder in here too if you go to the plus icon, but I'm just going to go into here, DCIM, and copy here. So I just copied it over to that folder. And you can do the same thing with your videos, audio files, downloads, documents, etc. But you can see my USB storage right here, DCIM, and then here's the screenshot I just transferred. It looks like a QR code for probably McDonald's or something. So very easy to do. Now you can bring this pen drive to a computer, a different phone, or a TV. So if you are having issues and it's not showing up, this pen drive does need to be formatted to FAT32 or exFAT on your computer. If it's formatted to NTFS, it's not going to work. And it's not going to be recognized by your Android phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.